Okay, so we go to question number 2. Kalau kita tengok sini, ni topik ratio. Okay, you dah belajar waktu form 1. Okay, so our plane has 14 first class seats, 70 premium seats, and 168 economy seats. Okay, find the ratio of first class seat, premium seat, and economy seats. Okay, so kat sini kita susun dulu 14 to 70 to 168. Okay, and then kita carilah, kita mudahkan dia, kita bahagikan dengan the simplest, paling mudah. So sekarang, let's say kita try dengan 14. So, bila kita bagi 14, sebab kita dapat number integer, okay, whole number. So, the ratio would be 1 to 5 to 12. Okay, so soalan ni senang, sepatutnya dapat markah penuh. Okay, so go to question B1. Okay, the cost of a premium ticket is $114. So, given that the cost of ticket are in the ratio 14, 6 and 5. So, kita dah ada ratio dia 14, 6 and 5. So, dekat sini dia dah bagi satu saja harga untuk tiket, which is premium ticket, $114. So, we make a guessing here. How did you get to get 106? 14 from 6, okay. So, daripada sini ialah awak kena darab dengan 19. So, maknanya, for each ratio here, you must multiply with 19. So, we get the cost for first class and economy. Okay. So, for this part, awak akan dapat $266, and then for economy, we get $95. Okay. Okay, next we go to question 2. For an afternoon flight, the cost of a premium ticket is reduced from $114 to $96.90. Okay, calculate the percentage reduction in the cost of a ticket. Okay, so reduction maknanya kita kena tolak. So, awak ambil 114 minus dengan 96.90, and then you get 17 10 cent, and you divide with the original price of premium ticket, 114 times 100, so you get 15%. Okay. And we go to the question C. When the local time in Athens is 9:09:00, the local time in Berlin is 08:00. A plane leaves Athens at 13:15. It arrived in Berlin at 15:05 local time. Find the flight time from Athens to Berlin. So, from this one, awak kena tukar dulu. Athens, dia leave Athens pada pukul 13:15. Okay. Jadi dekat Athens 13:15. Kalau kita ikut time pada Berlin, waktu tu ialah 12:15. Okay. Jadi waktu dia sampai kat Berlin 15:05, kena tolak dengan 12:15. Then you get 2 hour 50 minutes. Okay. You tak boleh ambil terus 13:15. Ya, kita kena ikut waktu pada tempat yang kita sampai. Okay, next question. The distance the plane flies from Athens to Berlin is 1,802 kilometers. Calculate the average speed of the plane. Give your answer in kilometer per hour. Okay, so you know that the formula for speed is equal to distance over time. Okay, and then you get the distance here is 1,802. And then divide with the times here, 2 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, 2 hours 50 minutes, you can convert 50 minutes in hours. Okay, make sure kena convert lah. Bukan 2.5 tau, tu salah sebab 50 tu refer kepada 50 over 60. Okay, so you get 636 km per hour. That is question number 2. So we proceed to question number 3. Okay, the box and whisker plots show the time spent exercising in 1 week by a group of women and a group of men. Below are 2 statements comparing these times. Okay, for each one, write down whether you agree or disagree, giving a reason for your answer. Okay, so for this one, kita tengok Starting kena ingatlah ni box plots, apa value-value dia kat sini. This one ialah, the first one ialah the minimum value. This one ialah first quartile. Okay. And then tengah-tengah ni ialah median. Okay, hujung sekali kat sini ialah third quartile ataupun upper quartile. And the last one is the maximum value. Okay. So, kita tengok apa yang dia tulis statement kat sini. Okay, kita kena tengok statement dia and then we write down whether you agree or disagree. Okay, on average, the women spend less time exercising than the men. Okay, so kita tengok. You agree or not? Okay, and on average, okay, the women spend less time. Paling kurang bersenam berbanding lelaki. Ya ke? Okay, so from this part, kita akan tengok median. Okay, kita akan tengok value median. So median ni ialah kita dah susun data tu. Kita boleh tengok data tu macam mana. And then for this part, median of women is greater than median of men. Okay, so for this question, we disagree. Okay, disagree because kita tengok kat sini jawapan dia. We disagree because the median for the woman is greater than the median for the man. Okay, or equivalent lah, mana-mana correct statement yang kita rasa logik untuk kita terima, kita akan ambil jawapan tu lah. Okay, so dekat sini even though the minimum value berbeza, okay, and also first quartile pun berbeza, tapi kita akan tengok pada median dia juga. Okay, untuk question seterusnya, statement seterusnya, the times for women show less variation than the times for the men. Okay, bila part variation kat sini, kita kena tengok interquartile range. Okay, interquartile range. So, kita calculate, kalau sekali kita tengok kat sini, value for interquartile range, women and men is totally different. Okay, makin luas box plots tu sebenarnya interquartile range dia makin tinggi lah. Kalau kita tengok kat sini, quartile dia berapa? Minus first quartile. And then for women, okay, interquartile range for women. Okay, kita tengok interquartile range. Okay, third quartile dia ialah 190. This one ialah 240 divide minus 180. Divide 10, so 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. So here is 210. Okay, 210 minus 60. So the interquartile range here is 150 for women. And then for men, okay, for men is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6, 6 times 6. 36 plus 120, 156. Okay, this one is 156 minus with 60 minus 6, 54 minus 6, 48. Okay, ni nak cari, kena ingat balik lah macam mana nak cari ni value ni, tengok dia punya scale kat sini So 156 minus 48, so this one, the quarter range for men is 108. So, means that variation for men is greater than variation for, variation for women is greater than variation for men. So, we disagree. Once again, we disagree. Okay. Median greater for women, greater than men. Okay. And then this one also interquartile range for women is greater than men. Okay. So, mana-mana explanation yang berlogik kita akan terima lah, mana berkaitan. Okay. So, this one, the men have a smaller range of times or smaller interquartile range. Range pun kita boleh guna juga. Macam mana nak cari range? Maximum value minus minimum value. Okay. You boleh tengok juga dari segi range. Bila variation ni, kita tengok range, kita tengok interquartile range. Okay. So we go to the next question. Okay, the frequency table shows the times, t minutes each of the children spent exercising in 1 week. Calculate an estimate of the mean time. So nak cari mean. Okay, formula for mean is total frequency times with the midpoint. Okay, midpoint of the interval. Divide to total frequency. Maknanya total kat sini ialah frekuensi kali dengan midpoint. So, kita akan ambil for each, kita akan cari dia punya midpoint here. Okay, so 60 plus 0 divided by 2, so 30. 100 minus 60 divided by 2, so get, 100 plus 60 divided by 2, so the midpoint here is 80. Okay, and then 100 plus 160 divided by 2, we get 130 here, and then 220 plus 160 divided by 2, so we get 190. And then the last one, 320 plus 220 divided by 2, and then we get 270. Okay, so we get the midpoint. So for this part, kita kali je dia punya total. So 30 times 41 plus 24 times 80. Okay, satu persatu. Saya nak nasihatkan awak untuk tulis one by one. Because in case kalau awak punya ni tersilap, frekuensi ke midpoint tersilap, satu je tersilap, awak masih dapat satu markah. Okay. Biasanya ni kita buat ini kita dapat 2 markah lah. Okay, and then the total of frequency kita tambah semua sekali 41 plus 24 plus 23 plus 8 plus 4. Okay. So the answer is 87.4. That is how to calculate the mean. Okay. So next we go to question 2. Okay, the information in the frequency table is shown in this cumulative frequency diagram. Okay, so this is a cumulative frequency diagram, times versus the cumulative frequency. So use the cumulative frequency diagram to estimate of 60th percentile. So 60th percentile ni maksud dia 60 over 100. Okay. So 60 over 100. Nak cari dia punya tempat kat mana, you kena darab dengan total dia, total frequency. So kita tengok total frequency here is 100 bila cumulative frequency ni, the last point tu hujung sikit, itu ialah total frequency which is 100. So kita kena darab dengan 100. So maksudnya nanti kita akan tengok pada 60. Okay, 60 pada paksi Y. Okay, kita tengok paksi Y 60 here. Okay, and make a line at 60 and then go to part time here. So we get 90, okay, 90 minutes. Okay, next question, the number of children who spend more than 3 hours exercising. 3 hours is 180 minutes. So pada paksi X ni, kita akan cari 3 hours 180 minutes. Kita gerakkan sampailah kena pada 92 here. So 92, dia nak bilangan more than 3 hours. So more than maknanya di atas ni. Ni semua inilah more than 3 hours. Okay. Yang ambil masa lebih daripada 3 jam lah. So maknanya 100 minus 92. So 8 children altogether. Okay. 100 minus 92. Okay, next I want to find histogram of unequal width because this table give you different class interval. Okay, so to lukis this one, you kena ada frequency density dengan class width. So kita akan cari dulu frequency density which is frequency bahagi dengan class width. Class width here is 60. Okay, 220 minus 160, we get 60. And then we take the frequency, we get 2 over 15. This is the class frequency density. Okay, the given one here is 10.8. So macam mana dapat 10.8? Kita cari frequency density dia dulu, 24 over 40. So 10.8 divide with the frequency density, we get 18. So maknanya kat sini pada graf dia nak lukis bar tu dia kena nak 18 pada frequency density. So kat sini kita ambil frequency density of this one 2/15 times 18. So we get 2.4. So on the graph kita akan lukis height dia ialah 2.4. Okay, that's all.